Sometimes we need to catch an exception, but then rethrow it so it can be handled in another part of our program. For example, let's imagine in this function, we use some system resources like memory or file. Let's say we open a file in this function. Now, with our current implementation, this line throws an exception, so the control moves to the main function. Here we handle the exception, but the file that we opened up here will remain open. We never close it. This is where we need to catch this exception locally in this function. In our catch block, we'll close the file, and then we need to rethrow the exception, so the main exception handler gets notified and prints an error on the console. That is super easy. So we wrap this entire code inside a try-catch block. So catch const invalid argument as a reference. Now here we close the file. I'm going to simulate that just by printing a message. So close the file. Now we can rethrow the exception using the throw keyword without any arguments. So now if we rerun this program, you can see that we successfully closed the file, and then the control moved to the main function where we received this error.